All right, in this video we're going to discuss more with open for files, but we're going to focus on a couple methods. One is starts with, and we're going to leverage strip, and we're also going to talk about find. And in this case, we have a 6 meg email log of all email come dumping from a server. It's pretty lengthy. You can get a lot of logs in 6 megs, especially text. Let's take a quick look at this. So once again, this text file is in the same location as my Pi file, and I'm going to open it, making this text file available. I'm going to say for each line in my file in, if line starts with from, print a line. So this will dump out all the from, so senders, right? Let's run it. Sure, we'll save it. And you see, it'll run for a long time. I just hit Control-C to stop it. So you see it's finding every line, and it's printing the line that's also throwing another space in there. Kind of just adding padding. But, well, let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at our loop and see how we could fix that, right? So in this next one, remove the white spaces from the right. So what does that? Well, strip does that. If we use strip with no parameters, or left strip or right strip, strip will remove the spaces from left and right. So same loop, added a line, starts with from, added our strip line right here. Strip the line after it's read in, right? If line starts with from, print a line. We'll see how this works now, right? Save, F5, a lot cleaner, no more spaces, right? So that's kind of cool. Sweet. So we could starts with, looks for a line that starts with a string. Excellent, right? We could pinpoint our line down. That's helpful. Let's take a look. Let's go a little further here. So in this particular example, we open the file. For each line in my file in, line strip, if line starts with from, continue, else print the line. So this will print lines that are other than from. And it keeps going and going, see? So these do not start with from. So in this example, we looked for lines that start with from, and this we use just logic, if line starts with from, continue, else print the line. So this else print line statement prints everything that is not starts with from. So, cool example, right? Let's take a look at the last one. So find. Find is super powerful. What if this was a phishing attack and all you had was gigs and gigs of logs, and you could load them in and quickly see if someone sent you an email from a specific domain. That's exactly what this does. So, a couple things about find. It sort of simulates finding a text search, but find looks for an occurrence of a string within another string, and either returns the position of the string or -1 if the string was not found. So that -1 if not found is important. Because right here we're saying if line find this equals not found, continue, else print the line. This else print the line is exactly the interesting. This is actually where it's being found. So the logic here is open the file. For each line in file, strip each line from front and back, right? Remove the white space. If line.find, our string, is equal to not found, continue. If this is true, if not found is true, it'll continue. If it's found, it'll print the line. Let's test it. Excellent. So now, definitively, we could say that yes, we have been receiving email from that domain from at least one user. Then you can get more granular And, if we were to let this finish, we could see if we had multiple users from the same domain send an email or whatever. But super powerful, super awesome. You can quickly turn around and tell your boss, yes, we received email. Yes, we processed email. Give me another second. I'll tell you if there's more people coming, more senders from that domain or not. So what did we discuss in this video? Starts with, strip, and find. And there'll be more videos coming.